Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be making this deep ocean nail set today. Bombriti sent me some new gels and I'm gonna use some of them for the set. And I'm gonna be showing other shades later in this video. The new gel series is called Sequins Glitter Gel. Apply base coat to your natural nails. Now let's get started. I'm gonna stamp on the thumb. I'm gonna use a plate and polish from 100 yen stores in Japan. I'm not using a credit card. The nail tip is a little bigger than the print, so I'm gonna stretch the stamper as I stamp. Stretching upwards. Green Cat Magnetic Gel number 5 from Born Pretty. This is not the new gel, but I think it's perfect for making an ocean nail. Now I'm gonna use something unusual for nail art. A drawing toy from a 100 yen store. I'm gonna use the magnet on the tip of the pen, this. I want to make kind of like ripples by using this pen. I can easily get rid of the string attached to the pen, but I just keep it on the pen. Autumn Water Light Cap Magnetic Gel number 6 from Born Pretty. It's such a mysterious shade. I'm fading it with a tweed brush from a 100 yen store. It's pretty sheer, so you can fade it really easily. Now I'm trying to design the particles with a pen, but I hardly see any movements. I'll keep doing it anyways. I'm painting the top area. Probably I don't need to fade. It looks like it's already faded well. Now I'm doing the pen thing again. I think I saw the particles moving. I don't know now. Oh, I found you. The magnetic pen worked. I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. I've got interesting art. I really like the patterns. So pretty. I'm gonna work on the little finger and the index finger. Autumn Water Light Cap Magnetic Gel. I'm trying to float particles in the center of it and circle forever. Now I'm doing the index finger. I really love this shade, it's so pretty. Just some particles in the center. And circle, 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 circle. Green Cat Magnetic Gel. So I painted water light magnetic gel first, and now I'm painting gel with bigger particles on it. This is insanely beautiful. I'm gonna finish them with a top coat. They are so beautiful. I love them. I'm gonna stamp on the ring finger. I'm using a stamping plate from Temu. I'm gonna paint green cap magnetic gel on the whole nail. I'm making ripples with a pen. I'm gonna make a gradient with autumn water like cap magnetic gel. I'm gonna paint the top area and try to design with a pen. I'm gonna finish with a top coat. I'm gonna make the middle finger. I'm gonna paint the water-like magnetic gel twice. I think this diagonal line is the easiest to design. I'm gonna do the same thing again. I love how the green shows up. Finally, I'm gonna use the new gel here. Sequins Glitter Gel Sea Salt number 15. It's got so many glitters in it, so sparkly. It's so viscous and thick. I'm gonna paint base and top gel to flatten it. The glittery part is thicker than the other area. I'm gonna finish it with a top coat. Wow, I like it so much. Look at this. Now I'd like to show you the other new gels I got. These are some of the new series, Sequins Glitter Gel. Unlike the other Bon Pretty gels, each color has a name. Wish. It's got so many aurora glitters in it. It's got different shapes and sizes all together. This is one coat. This is two coats with a top coat on. I don't think the gel itself is colored. Sparkle Fly. It's got aurora glitters in it too, but it's more pink than Wish. Pink Crystal. It's more pink than the other two. It's got pink and silver glitters in it. Peacock. Wow, it's so green. All the glitters and holograms are green, big and small. It's even got some fiber-like glitters which are, of course, green. Blue Harebell. It's got vivid blue holograms and small silver glitters. A perfect gel for foot nails in the summer. Last but not the least, sea salt. This is the one I used for today's set. It's got pretty big holograms in it and the shade is greenish aqua blue. Absolutely stunning. Let's get back to today's nail art. I love the way how it shines and glitters. I think I was able to create an ocean depth. They look really pretty on my fingers as well. On silicone fingers. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!